Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video I will share with you some delicious soups ideas to prepare for your family, your friends, your guests this Christmas season. If you have been thinking which soup to prepare, don't worry, I got your back. So the first one is this delicious Ogbono soup. Can you see how beautiful and yummy it looks? So you can serve it with any swallow of your choice. The next one is this Oha soup. Oh, this Oha soup tasted so delicious. And the next is this delicious Egusi soup cooked by Oyibo. Oyibo prepared this delicious soup. Oh, it was so yummy. And this is the most popular soup we have in Nigeria. So I also have the full video on my channel. You can feel free to watch it. And next we have bitter leaf soup. And here we have another soup prepared by hubby, okra soup. It was so delicious. And the full video of all these recipes are in my channel. You can feel free to check them all out. We have another delicious Egusi soup cooked with the frying method. And here we have Efo Riro. The next one is Okazi soup. Oh, I hope you are taking notes. Also, let me know in the comment section, out of all these soup, which one is your favorite one? And we have Nsala soup, white soup. So all these soups, I have their full recipes in this channel. So after watching this, you can feel free to check them all out. You will enjoy them. And lastly, but not the least, Fisherman soup. And all these soups, I will be leaving the link of their full videos in the description box below, so feel free to check it out later. And don't forget to give this video a like. Until we see you next time, bye bye.